through to the main draw of Junior Wimbledon. 6-4, 6-4, 6-3, 6-4.
6-1, 6-1, 6-4. 6-3, 6-4, yeah.
6-3, 6-4 victory. How's that feel?
Feel pretty comfortable. It's amazing, unbelievable feeling to be in the main draw. I mean, I played a guy a couple of months ago, early on clay, but here on the grass in Wimbledon, it's completely different. The weather is pretty well as well, so the ball is bouncing a little bit more, which gave me a little bit more time to be behind the ball and obviously damage a little bit more. I served pretty well today, and hopefully I can keep going into the main draw.
You put in a great performance today, and then as you're serving for the match, 30-40 down, how were you feeling at that point?
It was my first double for the 30-0. I was a little bit tight because I knew it was not going to be easy. It was a pretty long game before at 4-0. It was like 15 minutes. We played a long game. I had a couple of break points, couldn't take them. But I served well. First break point for the match. Yeah, put first serve, then take the forehand. Obviously, did pretty well. Thanks to everyone for the support.
We're all very
and good
proud
luck
of
to
you.
the boys at Sutton as well.
Good lad. We're all very proud of you, Simi. It starts now, though. Yeah, never knocked on there to make up the numbers, huh?
Thank you.
Okay. Good luck.